everybody, it's summertime and Big Poppa's having some fun. I got my stainless drum here. We're using some Momofuku Chili Crunch, which is David Chang's, but we're starting with Chili Crunch honey. So what you want to do with this Chili Crunch is it's kind of goopy and stuff. We want to make sure we mix it up, the honey. Now we're going to use very little honey. We're going to make the honey go a long way, but we're going to actually use it just as a very minor glue. And this is to make the rest of the Chili Crunch and the Big Poppa's money rub that we're going to use, which is one of my favorites, of course. Now, wonder why are you putting honey on meat? Well, it's really Chili Crunch, so it's got a lot of different seasonings, a lot of different spices, and it's going to be the base, and then regular Chili Crunch goes on top of it, and then the money goes on top of that. So it might add kind of a teriyaki feel to it. I've got my drum heated to 275. Shake Chili Crunch up good because it settles at the bottom a lot. You stir it up. Got sesame, all kinds of funny stuff. Garlic, chilies. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! This is going to be flavorful and bold. This isn't for your light of heart. Little Louie won't be coming back for seconds. Now, some money. We're going to let it sit here for about 10 minutes and sweat, and then put it on the cooker. Okay, kids, it's rested. It's ready. Let's open the drum. One here. But we'll be back in 10 minutes. So we're going to open it up here. Flip it over. Now, I'm going to take these to about 130, 132. It's still pink, still looks beautiful when you take it to the 145, but it's just buttery and it just lets go at that temperature. It's still like a brisket. You got to get to 202 minimum. With the tri-tip, you really want to eat it around 140, 145. So we'll be back I'm going to set it for 15 minutes. Now we're going to just do some quick, easy, simple corn. We got Little Louie's, which is garlic pepper, seasoned salt with garlic pepper, and some other secret ingredients, which I really can't tell you other than celery and a few other things. So I'm going to take some avocado oil and just spray it lightly. Take the Little Louie's. Now, Little Louie's not a rub, it's a salt, so you use it a little more judiciously. Sounds so easy. That's because it is. Now we're going to take the corn, and we're going to put it kind of around the edge so we really get heavy and direct going. Okay, and then when we come and check these in about 14 minutes, the tri-tip, these should be pretty good. I might want to turn them over a little bit, but there you have it. A little corn and tri-tip sounds pretty good. We're 10 minutes into it, maybe 11 minutes. Oh my God. These babies are beautiful. I hope you can tell. I think these corn are pretty much done. We'll put them in some foil. I'm going to slather them in butter and then wait for the crowds to go crazy. Now what we're going to do is lay these two beauties here. We're going to leave the top off, summertime convertible on the drum. We're going to let that fire get going good. And then we're going to sear them. Okay, kids, time to sear. Temperature, 136. Okay, let's slice this baby up. Now, tri-tip the grain. See, there's a grain going this way. Okay? But there's also a grain going this way. So we want to come right here. Then I turn it. It's got smoke, it's got char, it's got sweet, just a dash of sweet. Because we can't forget the resting juices. Look at this. Corn, butter. I'm sort of a proud papa.